Let's get Assan Jewel installed on your shop computer. In this video, you'll download the app, install it, and see where your data is kept. Open your web browser and go to the Assan Jewel website. Choose your system, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and download the installer. On Windows, double-click the setup file and follow the simple steps. The installer sets up Assan Jewel along with its local database on your computer. That local database is important because Assan Jewel is offline first. Everything you do is saved right here on your device, so the app keeps working even with no internet. For Mac, open the downloaded file and drag Assan Jewel into your Applications folder. For Linux, download the Linux build and run it the same way. When it's done, open Assan Jewel from your desktop. On the welcome screen, the app loads your data and gets everything ready. Assan Jewel also checks for updates automatically each time you open it. If a newer version is available, you'll see what's new and can install it in one click. This keeps your shop on the latest version with no manual downloads. You're installed and ready. In the next video, we'll create your shop account.